welcome to Shopping with Shana.
Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, I have a Meijer must-do deals video for you. It has a buy 5 save 5 sale that is going on this week, so there are so many awesome deals. I know I got a couple messages on my Facebook page like, hey, have you done your Meijer must-do deals video yet? So guys, Sundays are crazy. It's a hit or, miss with my schedule as far as Sundays. I always go to church every morning, so I'm hardly ever going to have videos out first thing in the morning unless for some reason I wake up at like 4 a.m. and I start on the sales early. And then, depending on the day, sometimes we have family things that happen or, it's Sunday. So, look for my videos to come out on Monday mornings, with a rare occasion that you may see a Sunday if I'm not super busy on Sunday. So before we get going, I want to make sure that you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my Meijer videos. Of course, I do a ton on Kroger, so you definitely want to check that video out too. But these are going to happen all the way through Saturday the 28th, so there's lots of time to go grab these deals. All right, let's talk about the freebie that is going on. The Oikos Greek yogurt, 5.3 ounce, regularly priced $1.19. Now, this imperk came out last week. If you did not load it last week, it may not be available for you to load. Now, as you can see in the picture, my store is actually out of stock of like all the different kind. Obviously, they gave a freebie and they were demolished. So I still have mine available to me for at least through the 28th. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I can find one before they are, the coupon is expired, but completely free if you have this in perk. We also have the Airwick scented oil gadgets. If you haven't grabbed these yet, they're regularly priced $1.89. We have $1.99 off one in perk. It will reduce down to just free. You don't get any overage there, but you do get a freebie. We also have the Neutrogena sunscreens, 1 ounce. Grab 2 of them for this. They're regularly priced $2. Use the 4 off 2 in perk. It is attaching to the sunscreen, making them completely free. These are the sample size, so you're going to find them in the sample section. But you're going to get 2 for free. Again, if you did not load this digital coupon last week, it may or may not be available to you this week. So hopefully you grabbed it last week. All right, guys, we have a great new deal here on the CoverGirl pressed powder. So you want to grab 2 of them for this deal. They're regularly priced $6.29. There's a sale this week for buy one, get one 50% off. Plus, we have a 4 off 1 in perk. Make sure you load that in perk. Out of pocket, pay $5.43. Then you can submit to coupons.com app for 4 back on 1 on the other product, making that final cost just $1.43 total or 72 cents each. Really great deal on this pressed powder. We also have a deal on the sunscreens this week, and this is actually a really great deal. So grab one of the Banana Boat sunscreens that are regularly priced $7.29 and one of the Copper Tone sunscreens that are regularly priced $7.29. Now, it's buy one, get one 50% off on this. There's a 2 off 1 Banana Boat in perk. There's also a 2 off 1 Copper Tone in perk. So your final cost is going to be $6.93 total or $3.47 each. So really, really great deal there. If for some reason you're very brand specific and you want the Banana Boat only or the Copper Tone only and grab 2 of those, you can do that. There are coupons on coupons.com app that you could then submit to get that $2 back. So the price would end up being the same. You just pay more out of pocket. All right, really great deal on some Little Bites mini tarts. Now, I have not tried these. Let me know what you think. Are these a good product? Now, these are regularly priced $3.89. They are on sale this week for $2.99 each. Pay that out of pocket, but then Fetch does have 50% on back on these Little Bites. It is up to 5 times, so you could get these for just $1.50 each or $1.49 each, depending on how it plays out. But really, really great deal here on these. And again, these are like almost $4 a box, so $1.50 is a great deal. We also have a pretty good deal with Fetch with the Gatorade Whey protein bars. These are regularly priced $1.59. Now, you do have to pay that out of pocket, but Fetch has 1,000 points back. It's a limit of 3 times for these, and that makes the final cost for these bars just 59 cents each. If you've never had these, I will tell you they are pretty good. They are pretty high in calorie though, but if you're looking for that protein bar or a meal replacement type bar, that type of thing, these are really good. All right, guys, if you do not have Fetch, go load it on your phone right now. Use my referral code XR7PY. I have it linked in the description box below as well. I promise you, this is the easiest rebate app you will ever use. If you are new to couponing, you want to make sure that you get 2 rebate apps. This is one of the 2. I'll talk about the other one later. But you use this Fetch Rewards, you scan receipts, you get points back, you turn them into gift cards. It's super simple and really, really easy. And you always get points back on your receipts regardless of whether or not they actually have one of the special savings deals. So you usually get 25 points back. So every receipt you scan, you're going to get points back. It's awesome. All right, next deal is the Truvia Sweetener 16-ounce bag, regularly priced $7.39. We have $1 off one each in perk. Out of pocket, pay $6.39, and then you can submit to Fetch for 1,500 points. Final cost is going to be just $5.89. Okay, so I'm going to just preference this. I have several deals today on Hellmann's, but they're all using the same in perk. So it's kind of, you're going to have to pick and choose which one you would prefer to do, okay? Now let's talk about the Hellmann's Drizzle sauces, 9 ounces. They're regularly priced $3.69. They're on sale for $2.99. You can use this $1 off one in perk and pay $1.99. Then submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one. It's limited to 5 times. Final cost, 99 cents. Really great deal, but there are other deals you could do with that in perk. So if you like the spicy mayo squeeze, grab one of them. They're regularly priced $4.19. You can use that $1 off one in perk, pay $3.19, submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back on one, and then Fetch also has 2,000 points up to 5 times. And your final cost is going to be just 44 cents for one of these. So that's a really great deal there as well. Now, if you happen to want to do multiple products, this one could be $1.44, which is still a really good deal. If you happen to use that in perk on another product, I don't know. Anyway, great deal regardless. All right, so this is the other rebate app that you definitely want to have, Ibotta. Those are the 2 I recommend for new couponers. Obviously, if you've been couponing for a while, I also recommend other things like Shopkick and Checkout 51. All of those are linked in the description box below, but Ibotta and Fetch is what you should start out with. Ibotta has the best deals. You get bonuses. It's great. You can make so much money shopping. It's wonderful. And I have a referral code linked in the description box below, or you can use it there on the screen, RPQTEWE. Sign up for Ibotta today. I promise you will not regret it. All right, let's talk about Pepsi Nitro Cola. These are regularly priced $2.09. They are on sale this week for $1.89, and we have $1 off one in perk, or you can submit to the coupons.com app for $1 back on one. So if you're wanting 2 of them, you could grab one with the in perk and one with the submission to coupons.com. But the final cost is 89 cents each, which is a pretty decent price. Simple 7-Up Mini Can 6 count. These are regularly priced $3.19. Use the 2 off 1 in perk. Pay $1.19 and then submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back on one. It's limited to 5 times. 44 cents each. Great deal here. All right, guys, we have a new sale happening this week. It is the Buy 5, Save 5. So this is very similar to the Kroger Mega Sale if you're familiar with that. The only difference is Kroger Mega Sale no longer is a multiple of whatever, 5s in this case. This one is. So Kroger changed theirs. I want to say it's probably been, I know it's been over a year. It may have been 2 years at this point. They used to be you had to buy multiples of 5. Now it's 5 or more. At Meijer, it is in multiples of 5. So if you buy 5 items, you'll get $1 off per item. If you buy 7 items, you'll get $5 off, but you'll still have 2 items that you'll pay the regular price or the sale price for that, if that makes sense. So there's lots of really great deals. You do have to buy multiples of 5, and don't worry, I'm going to give you a couple of filler items that you definitely should grab. All right, let's talk about the Irish Spring 3-count bar soap. You want to grab these. Now, I say grab 5 of them. You don't have to grab 5. You'd only have to grab 1. But I wanted to show you how you could put this together. They're regularly priced $2.39. The buy 5 price is $1.39 each, and we have a 20% off in-perk, and the 20% off in-perk will cover as many as you purchase. So if you bought 5 of them, your final cost would be $4.56 total, or 91 cents each, which is really great. I wanted to show you that I did throw 5 of them into my app to see what the price would come out, and that is the price that you can see in the picture right there. On the bottom is $4.56 total, with grabbing 5 of them after that buy 5 savings comes off, plus the 20% in perk. So that's how you know what you're going to save. I do that a lot if I'm ever curious as to what my price is going to come out or which coupon will pop off first, that type of thing. I always throw it in the app and see what happens. Okay, we have a couple of great deals here on Sargento sliced cheese. Now, they're also part of the buy 5 deal, but you will have to grab 3 other filler items for this deal. So grab one of the Sargento sliced cheese, regularly priced $3.69, and one of the Sargento creamery cheeses. Now, I have the shredded cheese there for you pictured, but there are other creamery cheeses that you can grab. There's sliced cheese. There's also the brick cheese. They're regularly priced $3.69 as well, but everything is on sale for $3.49. Part of the buy 5 for $2.49. Plus, we have $1.50 off 2 in perk. Out of pocket, pay $3.48 total, which is a great price. It's actually a little cheaper than the sale price for one of them. Submit to fetch for 300 points. Submit to fetch for 700 points. Now, the 300 points is for the creamery product, and the 700 points is for the the sliced cheese. So basically, you're going to get $1 total back. Final cost is $2.48 total, or $1.24 each. Okay, so here's another deal using that Hellmann's in perk. So Hellmann's mayonnaise dressing, 20 ounce is $5.09, regularly priced. It's on sale for $4.49. Part of the buy 5 for $3.49. Plus, you can use that $1 off in perk. So $2.49. Obviously, the other products are a little bit better of a deal, but if this is something you need over those products, then this is a great deal. Okay, so this is probably my favorite deal. I'm planning on grabbing like 10 of these if I can. Johnsonville sausage strips. These are regularly priced $5.09. They're regularly priced $4.79 each. They're part of the buy 5, so they're going to be $3.79 each. And we have $1 off one each in perk. That means all that you buy in the same transaction, $1 is going to come off each, making these $2.79 each. Like I said, I'm probably going to just stock up and grab 10 of them, throw them in the freezer. This is a really, really good deal, especially on meats. And we're going to be seeing prices really start jumping over the summer, so highly recommend load up on these type of products. All right, really great deals on Sweet Baby Ray's this week at Meijer. Now, if you can go to a Kroger and you follow me for my Kroger deals, skip Kroger. This is where it's at. Meijer is the hot sale this week. So Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, the 18-ounce bottles, regularly priced $1.99, on sale for $1.89. Part of the buy 5, 89 cents each, which is a great price right there. But there's also $1 off 2 in Smart Source 522, or $1 off 4 in Smart Source 522, depending on your region. But your final cost is as low as 39 cents each. Now, it gets even better with the Sweet Baby Ray's dipping, marinade, or hot sauces. Now, these are regularly priced $2.09 to $3.29. All of them are on sale for $1.89. Part of the buy 5 for 89 cents, and we have $1.25 off 2 from Smart Source 522, or $1 off 2 in Smart Source 522. Again, depending on your region, which one you get. Final cost, 27 cents each. Craziness. This is stock up time at Meijer. Now, my only worry is that the stock will be gone. So people are going to go clear this stuff out. So hopefully you can get there and get your great deals on this Sweet Baby Ray's. Lysol laundry sanitizer is regularly priced $6.29. They're on sale for $5.99. Buy 5 for $4.99. Plus, we have $1.50 off 1 in perk, making that final cost just $3.49. All right, soda deals have been hard to find lately, so I have one here on the Pepsi products. You want to grab 4 of any kind of Pepsi 6-packs. They're regularly priced $3.99. They're part of the buy 5 for $2.99, and we have a 3 off 4 in perk, making the final cost for 4 of these $2.24 each. And obviously, because this is part of the buy 5, you need one more participating item to throw in there to get this price. We also have a deal on the Crystal Light drink mixes or on-the-go drink mixes. These are regularly priced $2.79. They're on sale for $2.49. Part of the buy 5 for $1.49 each. Your final cost without any coupons necessary, $1.49. All right, so again, this is where to go. Skip Kroger this week if you are needing your goldfish, because goldfish at Kroger is $1.29 each with their mega sale happening. But here at Meijer, we're grabbing them for $1.09 each. Not 99 cents or 89 cents, which we have seen before at Meijer, but still a really great deal compared to the prices and the inflation going up. But Pepperidge Farm goldfish, regularly priced $2.09, part of the buy 5 for $1.09. That's the final cost. This is a great filler item for you, or the barbecue sauces would be a great filler item if you don't have coupons, but the great filler item to make sure you get that 5 off of each transaction. We also have a really great filler item here on this dip. Hella Good refrigerated dip is regularly priced $1.99, on sale for $1.89, but part of the buy 5 for just 89 cents. No coupons necessary. Final cost 89 cents each. A great filler item. Really loving Meijer this week. Okay, everybody, that's all I have for you this week. If you love these Meijer deals, please make sure you give it a great big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what your favorite deals are. And if you're going to be heading to Meijer this week, now I know we didn't have the freebies like we did last week, but we still have a lot of really good deals that are definitely worth heading to the store. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.